Have you ever wondered what it's like to live in a kingdom where everyone is broke? Welcome, my friends, to the world of the broke kingdom. Here, every citizen is a master of making do with what they have, stretching every cent to its limit. Living paycheck to paycheck, they navigate the choppy waters of life with little more than hope and a prayer. Budgeting isn't just a skill here, it's a way of life, a survival tactic in a world where the cost of living always seems a step ahead of income. Bills? They're like dragons breathing fire down the necks of our brave, struggling citizens. Every envelope that lands on the doormat is a potential monster, threatening to devour their hard-earned savings. In the broke kingdom, every penny counts. The citizens live on the edge, teetering between making ends meet and falling into the abyss of debt. In the broke kingdom, every penny counts, and the struggle to survive is real. Imagine having to account for every single penny that comes your way. That's the reality in the broke kingdom. In this realm, where money is as scarce as a summer snowflake, every coin, every note, every digital transfer is tracked, accounted for, and squeezed until it gives up every last drop of value. The citizens of the broke kingdom are master budgeters, not by choice, but out of necessity. Their meager earnings are a lifeline, a thin thread that keeps them from falling into the abyss of insolvency. Consider this. In a world where prosperity is the exception rather than the rule, you learn to prioritize. The citizens of the broke kingdom understand this all too well. Their budgeting strategies are a testament to human resilience and adaptability. They have perfected the art of discerning wants from needs, luxuries from necessities. A warm meal takes precedence over a new outfit. A roof over their heads is more important than the latest tech gadget. What happens when the bills start piling up and there's not enough money to go around? Picture this. You're in the heart of the broke kingdom, where the arrival of the bill collector is met with a cold, sinking feeling that burrows deep into the pit of your stomach. The air turns thick with dread and the usual hum of life is replaced by a suffocating silence. Imagine the fear that comes with the knock on the door or the sight of an envelope slipped under it. It's the bill collector, a specter of financial doom that haunts the dreams of every citizen in this kingdom. He doesn't care about the circumstances, he doesn't offer sympathy, he's here for one thing and one thing only, to collect. Now let's delve into the lives of these citizens, faced with decisions no one should ever have to make. Decisions like, should I pay for electricity this month or should I buy food? These are the real dilemmas that they grapple with, the heartbreaking choices that they are forced to make, a cruel game of survival where there are no winners. The sense of despair that these situations create is palpable. It's a heavy cloak that wraps around their shoulders, pulling them down into a sea of hopelessness. It's a constant battle, a struggle against a tide that never seems to turn in their favor. But here's the thing to remember. This is not a tale of defeat. It's a story of resilience, of citizens who continue to fight against the odds, who refuse to be broken by their circumstances. They may be down, but they are far from out. They are the heart and soul of the broke kingdom, the brave souls who face adversity with a courage that is as humbling as it is inspiring. They are the ones who remind us that even in the face of the most daunting challenges, there is always a glimmer of hope, a spark of determination that can ignite a flame of change. When the bill collector comes knocking, the citizens of the broke kingdom face some of their darkest moments. But remember, it's always darkest before the dawn, and in the broke kingdom, dawn is always just around the corner. In a world where money is always tight, how do the citizens of the broke kingdom keep their dreams alive? Each day they awaken with the sun, their hearts filled with hopes and dreams. They are the weavers of dreams, the builders of castles in the sky, a better tomorrow, a brighter future. These are the visions they carry in their hearts. They toil in the fields, labor in the workshops, hustle in the marketplaces, all in pursuit of prosperity. The echo of their determination reverberates through the streets of the broke kingdom, a testament to their unyielding spirit. Their journey is not without challenges. The road to prosperity is filled with twists and turns, highs and lows, triumphs and defeats. But they press on, driven by an innate resilience, a fierce determination that refuses to be defeated. Even in the broke kingdom, the human spirit shines through, constantly striving for a brighter tomorrow. Living in the broke kingdom isn't easy, but what can we learn from the struggles of its citizens? We've journeyed through the kingdom's harsh realities, seen the challenges of budgeting and the ominous arrival of the bill collector. It's a daily grind, no doubt, but it's also a testament to the human spirit's resilience. Every citizen's story underscores the importance of budgeting. The grim reality of living paycheck to paycheck is a common thread, a stark reminder of the financial struggles millions face every day. But it's not all doom and gloom. We've seen glimmers of hope, sparks of prosperity bursting through the gloom. These are lessons in determination, in never giving up, no matter how tough the going gets. And it's this relentless pursuit of a better life that truly defines the spirit of the broke kingdom citizens. The broke kingdom may be a place of hardship, but its citizens teach us valuable lessons about resilience, determination, and the relentless pursuit of a better life.